Bode plot. It is the plot for magnitude or phase of transfer function as a function of frequency in log scale. We'll start with magnitude Bode plot. So obviously it is plot for magnitude of transfer function versus frequency in log scale. So we have three types of magnitude Bode plot. First one is Bode plot starting with zero slope. Starting with zero slope means the Bode plot is starting with flat line or horizontal line. And then Bode plot starting with positive slope. It means the starting slope of Bode plot is positive, or the line is starting line is going up. And third one is Bode plot starting with negative slope. Which means starting line is going down in the magnitude Bode plot. We will start with this Bode plot starting with zero slope. Magnitude Bode plot starting with zero slope. Zero slope means slope is 0 dB per decade. If the transfer function has all non-zero poles and zeros, which means the value of all poles and zeros are non-zero. If the transfer function has all non-zero poles and zeros, then the starting slope of Bode plot is 0 dB per decade. For example, transfer function is Gs, it is k over Ts plus 1. Let us assume that the value of k is positive and it is greater than 1, and the value of t is greater than 0, it is positive real value. Here S is j omega. So g omega is k over t j omega plus 1. Now we will write the magnitude of this transfer function. So magnitude of k is k, and the magnitude of 1 plus t j omega is square root of 1 plus t omega square. See, if a number is complex like capital A is equal to A plus JB, then the magnitude of capital A is square root of A square plus B square. In this way, I have written the magnitude of the denominator. Now we will convert this transfer function in decibel. So taking log both sides, in fact 20 log. 20 log magnitude of g j omega base 10. In the right hand side also 20 log k over square root of 1 plus t omega square base 10. So 20 log magnitude of Gg omega base 10 is equal to 20 log k base 10 minus 20 log square root of 1 plus t omega square base 10. Now this plot is asymptotic magnitude mode plot. So here we have a condition that t omega exists for, or this line exists for t omega greater than 1. So applying this condition, if t omega is greater than 1, so then we can neglect this 1. This becomes 20 log 1 is neglected. So this square and square root are cancelled out. So we are left with just t omega. So here we have two parts in this expression. First one is independent of omega. So the first part is constant. So this is the expression for initial line, which is independent of omega or constant. And this one is the expression for second line. And if t omega is 1, then the value 20 log 1 base 10 is 0. So at t, when t omega is 1, the value of this line is 0, or at omega equal to 1 by 2, the value of this line is 0. So this line exists for t omega greater than 1 or omega greater than 1 by t. And the slope of this line is negative, which is minus 20 dB per decade. So first of all, we will draw the two lines individually. This frequency is in log scale, so log omega base 10, and the magnitude, this 20 log k base 10, is in decibel. Okay. So if k is greater than 1, then the value of 20 log k base 10 is constant. So the first line, initial line, is flat line or horizontal line. Its value is constant for all frequencies, and that value is 20 log k base 10. Here the slope is 0 dB per decade. See, the unit for slope is dB per decade. Is it so? Because magnitude is in dB and the frequency is in decade. Why decade? Because if omega is 1 or frequency is 1 radian per second, then the value of log 1 base 10 is 0. And when frequency is 10, then the value of log 10 base 10 is 1. When omega is 100, then the value of log 100 base 10 is 2. So here frequency is in log scale, and if we talk about 1 unit of frequency, say we are going from 0 to 1, then frequency in radian per second increase by 10 times. when we go for 1 to 2 in log scale, then frequency is increased by 10 to 100. Okay, so 1 unit in log scale is equivalent to 1 decade or 10 times. That's why the unit for slope is dB per decade. Here the line is flat or horizontal line, it, which means for every decade magnitude is changed by 0 dB. That's why magnitude is unchanged, hence the slope is 0 dB per decade. Now we will draw the next line, this part minus 20 log t omega base 10. Again frequency is in log scale. And now we are drawing the second part, minus 20 log t omega base 10. This is in dB. Now this line exists for omega greater than 1 by t. So we have omega equal to 1 by t somewhere here. And when omega is greater than 1 by t, the slope of this line is negative. So this line goes like this. When omega is increasing, the magnitude is decreasing. That's why the slope of line is negative. The slope of second line is minus 20 dB per decade. It means if frequency is increased by 1 decade or frequency becomes 10 times, then the magnitude is reduced by 20 dB. So for omega 1 by t, omega equal to 1 by t, magnitude is 0 dB. Then at omega equal to 10 by t, magnitude is reduced by 20 dB, so magnitude becomes minus 20 dB. Okay, so this is basically a straight line. So we can find the slope of straight line by using this formula, slope formula, m equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, where x1 y1 and x2 y2 are the two coordinates of 2 points on this line. Suppose this is first point, x1 y1. This one is the second point, x2 y2. So x1 y1, x1 is in log scale, so the value is log 1 by t base 10, and the magnitude is 0 dB. And x2 y2, in x-axis we have omega 10 by t, so this is log 10 by t base 10, because x-axis is in log scale, and the magnitude here is minus 20 dB. If I put these values in this formula, then this will give the slope of line. y2 is minus 20, minus y1 is 0, over x2 is 10, log 10 by t base 10, minus x1 is log 1 by t base 10. log 1 by t base 10. So numerator is minus 20. Here we have log a minus log b, and log a minus log b is log a by b. So I will write log 10 by t over 1 by t base 10. So these two t's are cancelled out. So minus 20 log 10 base 10, and the value of log 10 base 10 is 1. So slope is minus 20 dB, this value is in dB, over decade, or minus 20 dB per decade. So in this way we can find out the slope of line. Slope is negative, it means when frequency is increasing, magnitude is decreasing. Now we have to draw the complete magnitude Bode plot. For that purpose, we have to combine these two plots or these two lines. That will give the magnitude Bode plot for the transfer function. So let's combine these two plots. Magnitude is in log scale. Sorry, the frequency is in log scale, and the magnitude is 20 log mod of transfer function base 10. This magnitude is in dB. Okay. So starting line is 20 log k base 10. We have assumed that k is greater than 1. That's why the value of 20 log k base 10 is positive. That's why it is starting above the 0 dB. And after omega equal to 1 by t, the slope of line is negative. So this is the resultant Bode plot, which is combination of these two lines. This point, this is 20 log k base 10, and the starting slope is 0 dB per decade, because magnitude is not changing with frequency initially, and after omega equal to 1 by t, this slope becomes minus 20 dB per decade. See, at omega equal to 1 by t, this 1 by t is the pole frequency. Because in the transfer function we have pole at s equal to minus 1 by t. So 1 by t is basically pole frequency. So at pole frequency, the magnitude of Bode plot is changing. Sorry, not magnitude. The slope of Bode plot is changing. That's why this pole frequency, non-zero pole frequency, is called corner frequency. So what is corner frequency? It is the frequency at which slope of magnitude Bode plot is changing. Initial slope is 0 dB per decade, and the slope of first corner frequency, omega equal to 1 by t, the slope becomes minus 20 dB per decade. Now we can also find out the frequency at which this magnitude Bode plot, the value of magnitude Bode plot is 0 dB. So for this line, we know that the slope is minus 20 dB. The coordinate, we can write the coordinates of these 2 points, 1 and 2. The coordinate here is log 1 by t base 10, and the magnitude is 20 log k base 10, and the coordinate of this point is Here frequency is unknown, we will just write omega log omega base 10 and the magnitude is 0 dB. Okay, so y2 slope is minus 20 dB per decade and value of y2 is 0 minus y1 which is 20 log k base 10 over x2. X2 is log omega base 10, x1 is minus x1, x1 is log 1 by t base 10. So minus 20 equal to minus 20 log k base 10 and in denominator we have log omega over 1 by t which is omega t. So this can be written as minus 20 log omega t base 10 equal to minus 20 log k base 10. So this is nothing but omega t equal to k or omega equal to k by t. So when the value of omega is k by t, the magnitude of this Bode plot becomes 0 dB. See, since we have assumed that k is greater than 1, the magnitude of Bode plot starts above the 0 dB. See, if the value of this k is 1, then the value of 20 log 1 base 10 becomes 0. Then this Bode plot goes like this. Starts with 0 dB and after frequency 1 by t, the slope becomes negative. The value of this 20 log k base 10 is 0 dB. Starting slope is obviously 0 dB per decade. And the slope after first corner frequency is negative, minus 20 dB per decade. And if the value of this k is less than 1, positive, still positive, but less than 1, k greater than 0 and less than 1, then the value of 20 log k base 10 is negative. Then the plot starts below the 0 dB value. The value of 20 log k base 10 is negative, and after first corner frequency, slope of Bode plot is also negative. This value is negative. That's why it is starting below the 0 dB, starting with negative value, and after first corner frequency, slope becomes negative. Okay. Now let's take one example which is similar to this problem. Suppose GS is 10 over S plus 1. Now we have to draw the magnitude Bode plot for this transfer function. So replacing S by j omega. So j omega is 10 over j omega plus 1. Now we will write the magnitude of transfer function. So it is 10 over 1 plus square root of 1 plus omega square. Converting this in decibel. So 20 log 10 in both sides. Log 10 magnitude of Gg omega. In the right side we have 20 log 10 base 10 minus 20 log 10 square root of 1 plus omega square. For asymptotic Bode plot, omega, the second part exists for omega greater than 1. So after approximation, the expression becomes 20 log 10 base 10 minus 20 log omega base 10. Because the omega is greater than 1, then we can neglect this 1, and square root of omega square is omega. So this is the expression for a starting line which is independent of omega. So its slope is 0 dB per decade because this value is constant value. And omega equal to 1, at omega equal to 1, the second line becomes 0. And this line exists for omega greater than 1. So omega equal to 1 is the first corner frequency. After which slope of the Bode plot is changing. And what is the slope after first corner frequency? It is minus 20 dB per decade. Okay. So let's draw this magnitude Bode plot. Frequency is in log scale. Magnitude is in dB. The starting line is 20 log 10 base 10, and log 10 base 10 is 1. Log 10 base 10 is 1, so the value of starting line is 20 dB. This is 20 dB, which is 20 log 10 base 10. First corner frequency is omega equal to 1. And slope after first corner frequency is minus 20 dB per decade. So this is line with negative slope. Starting slope is 0 dB per decade. After first corner frequency, slope is minus 20 dB per decade. So now we can find out the frequency at which slope or the magnitude of Bode plot is 0. At omega equal to 1, the magnitude is 20 dB. Okay, and the slope is minus 20 dB per decade. So after 1 decade, the magnitude becomes 0. So this frequency is omega equal to 10. Frequency is increased by 1 decade, and the magnitude is reduced by 20 dB. So slope is minus 20 dB per decade. So that's how we draw the magnitude Bode plot starting with 0 slope.